If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these plain glasses and jar of body butter into these lovely, personalized, customized last-minute DIY gifts for a teacher, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so last night I forgot to make gifts for my daughter's teachers. Today is the last day before Christmas break. So literally 15 minutes before it's time for her to leave out, I grabbed some body butter that I had made, a shot glass, and another glass I had from Dollar Tree. I have some decals I had already had cut out. I have this Maxi Cure glue, and I'm going to decorate this jar of body butter. And this is something that I've done before. It's simple, it's quick, and why I really like to do this is because when I decorate the top, you know that I use the UV resin. So I'm just going to place the pieces that I want on here. Some larger size gems, some resin planters. I'm going to put everything into place how I want it. And then I'm just going to stick it right into my UV nail lamp so it can cure. Once it cures, it's on there instantly and it's not coming off. Okay, as you can see, I'm just placing them where I want them to go because I wanted these two bigger pieces to fit, but I'm just lining them up so it makes sense. And I do have planner charms available on my website, myroyalradiance.com. I'm taking this bigger size gem, and I'm using a wax pickup tool, which is extremely helpful when you are placing rhinestones, pearls, or whatever it is that you're using. A wax pickup tool is definitely needed. I don't know how anyone can place rhinestones on anything without one. I have those available on my website as well. If you don't want to purchase them from my website, that is perfectly fine. You can also get a wax pickup tool from eBay or Amazon. So once I have all these on here the way I want them to, I am going to go ahead and put that right inside of my LED lamp, which you can get on Amazon. So basically everything I have here you can get on Amazon. The trim that you saw me put on here earlier, I used Maxi Cure glue to put the trim on. And the jars, these little glass 4-ounce jars, came from Amazon as well. And I'm just going to go ahead and pop that right in, let that cure, and I'll show you how it turned out at the end. Okay, so here I have the decal, and I'm going to go ahead and put this on this Dollar Tree glass, which is a very nice heavy duty smoked color glass. I really like that. And again, if I didn't have it already cut out, it wouldn't have been as quick and simple, but I had these decals already cut out, thank goodness, because I had to think quick because this should have already been done, but I'm kind of last minute. So I really like decals and also just DIYs that don't take that long period. So this shot glass is going to be super cute. That's probably like 1.5 inches by 1 inch if you're wondering the measurements. And this is almost done. I'm going to show you the final results. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result. I had to just get a quick little video before she left, and I think these turned out really cute. I just wish I had some cute little gift bags. I didn't have those. So she kind of put them all in one bigger size bag that I had, but they were really nice, and the teachers liked them. Now, the one teacher that she wanted to give the shot glass to, she wasn't there, so she just kind of left that for her, I guess in the office for her. The teacher that got the body butter, which was her favorite teacher, she was so sweet, and I guess teachers already have like thank you cards. She wrote the cutest thank you card. She was very grateful. She said the body butter was wonderful, great for hydration, and smelled amazing. That was nice of her. And the teacher that got the glass, she was very, very happy and extremely grateful. And I'm going to show you in the next clip another DIY gift I did for my cousin, third grade teacher, for her daughter. This is something you can do for a teacher as well if you have more time. I already posted this video, so check that out if you didn't see it. I'm going to show you another example of a great gift for a teacher, DIY, that doesn't take long. I did this last year for one of my daughter's teachers. It says, she's brilliant, she's intelligent, she's lovely, she's a teacher. Shout out to all of you wonderful teachers. And these are gifts that you can make for teachers, and you can get really creative and really funky with it if you want to. And the best part about it, these DIYs are super simple and very affordable. But thanks you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, share it on Facebook, subscribe if you want to, and thanks again for watching. Bye-bye. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers. Don't forget you can follow me on Instagram at LifeIsAWholeVibe. My name is the same on TikTok, and you can also follow my business Instagram at myroyal_radiance. Thanks again for watching. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas, you guys. Bye-bye.